Stroke prevention, atrial fibrillation, smartwatches. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. I'm inviting you to our show on Monday, April the 25th. I'm going to first do the introduction, then Bob is going to give us a security update. Dewey's going to talk about electric cars and his recent experience driving a Rivian truck. Bob's going to talk about scamming in seniors and why seniors are so susceptible to the problems. And I'm going to talk about stroke prevention, atrial fibrillation, and how this affects smartwatches and how smartwatches can help prevent this. Hughie's going to talk on browser cookies. And of course, Ray will finish up with his great music segment. We'll then finish up with our question and answer and moving into our premiere service, which will be at hour. This is a free service, and you'll be able to watch this. The link, of course, are in the show notes and online. Today, we're going to talk about 3 topics. One will be printers for hot weather. Dewey's going to help us figure that one out. Huey's going to talk about the Windows 10 tips. He's going to follow up. This is part 2. He did part 1 last week. And I'm going to talk about the new Kindle Fire tablet with Office 365. Now this was a video I made a year ago, but it is extremely popular. And these are still good tablets, and you might be interested in this as well. So all this on our premiere service. It's going to be a good one. Don't miss it. Monday, April the 25th.